Hi, my name is Qianyue Ding, and I'm an international student from China. I went to high school in Minnesota. I'm currently a second-year pre-actuarial science major at Ohio State. I want to do double major and triple minor, but my main focus is actuarial science. I'm a math major peer mentor, and I work at the union market. I'm going to apply to be a tutor at the Economics Learning Center. I listen to music a lot. My favorite two singers right now are The Weeknd and Travis Scott. I've been to two The Weeknd concerts, and I'm going to Travis Scott concert in Sacramento, California on December 15th, and I'm really excited. I also enjoy traveling. I'm going to visit California, Arizona, and Texas for winter break. I've been to roughly 15 states so far, including Texas. So this is my ePortfolio. This is the home page that contains 3 posts. This is the About Me page that contains my self-introduction. And this is the page of my professional topic on how to be an actuary. As I said earlier, my main focus is actuarial science. It is a discipline that uses mathematics, statistics, and financial theory to measure, manage, and mitigate financial risk and uncertainty. Actuaries are essential to the insurance industry, and they are increasingly finding niches in other businesses. My ultimate career goal is to be a fellow actuary, although I haven't decided my direction yet. I included 5 sources on how to become an actuary. The first one is a video that talks about how to become an actuary in America based on the YouTuber's knowledge and personal experience. And the second one is the official website of Society of Actuary, one of the 2 major actuarial organizations in the US. It organizes actuarial exams on life health side and provides a lot of tools and resources for actuarial students and actuaries. The next one is an article from Actuarial Standards Board by Michael Katz, and it contains information from official actuarial guidelines and quotes from different people with credentials in actuarial field with no author's personal opinions. It does a really good job to inform people in actuarial field about an important new actuary rule. And the next one is a blog from Michael Lombardi, the president of the Society of Actuaries. It's more like a letter with words of encouragement from the president of SOA to its members. And the next one is beanactuary.org. It's brought to you by Society of Actuaries and Casualty Actuarial Society. They're the 2 major actuarial organizations in the United States. CAS is really similar to SOA, except it's on property casualty side. Let's go to home page. The first post was about how to succeed in online collaborations based on my past experience in a group project. I gave some tips on how to succeed. First, introduce yourself to your online group members. Second, decide who's going to be the leader of the group. Third, divide tasks among your group members, so each group member has his or her own responsibility to finish certain tasks. Fourth, set individual deadlines for each group member. My second post was strategies to end procrastination and time management skills. My strategy to end procrastination is to set my own deadlines earlier than the actual deadlines, and my tip on managing time is to write down deadline for each assignment on a planner. My third post was 3 takeaways from this class. First, setting SMART goals. Second, procrastination is a problem of self-regulation. And third, 3 note-taking strategies, abbreviations, active note-taking, and note-taking models. Thank you for watching.